This is the Glock pistol, renowned for its simplicity and reliability. Its unique safe action system and durable powderwolf.
What sets the Glock apart is a design built for simplicity, ensuring it remains both reliable and steady. This design emphasizes simplicity and speed of use, notable for the complete absence of any external safety device. A look inside reveals the intricate internal mechanism and trigger assembly. This is the slide. It houses the barrel and manages the loading and extraction of ammunition. Moving down, we identify the frame. The frame acts as the central housing for the pistol's operating mechanisms. This is the trigger. Pulling it initiates the firing sequence.
This component is the magazine. Its primary function is to house and feed the ammunition into the firing chamber. This is the barrel. It guides the projectile safely out of the gun. This is the recoil spring assembly. It absorbs the energy of the slide and pushes it back into position. Highlighted here is the trigger bar, which connects to the trigger and disengages the connector during the firing sequence. The next component is the connector. The connector interacts with the trigger bar to release the firing pin mechanism. Next is the firing pin, which strikes the primer to ignite the propellant. The firing pin spring stores energy as the slide moves back, then releases to propel the firing pin forward. This is the firing pin safety. It blocks the firing pin to prevent accidental discharge. Here is the firing pin safety. And moving to the lower receiver, this is the ejector. The ejector is repeats. This component is the slide stop lever, responsible for holding the slide in the open position. Next, we turn to the locking block, which absorbs the recoil impulse and locks the barrel in place during firing. As the slide returns, the trigger bar slides down the connector and snaps back underneath the firing pin lug. Wrestlers. The internal safety requires the central trigger lever to be depressed first. This allows the trigger bar to lift the fix. The primary parts include the slide assembly, the barrel, and the polymer frame housing the trigger mechanism. In slow motion, the trigger pulls back, releasing the tension in the firing pin spring, which drives the pin forward to strike. The firing sequence sends the slide rearward, compressing the recoil spring, which then equals the action forward. As the magazine slides into the grip, the internal spring compresses. The catch snaps securely into place. The magazine is inserted firmly into the grip. Listen for the distinct click of the magazine catch engaging, then a trigger pull. Upon the trigger pull, the trigger bar disengages the safety plunger and compresses the striker. The striker releases. Here we see the major components, including the slide and barrel, realign and lock onto the frame to complete the assembly. The design features a durable slide, an ergonomic grip texture, and a consistent trigger pull, defining its function. This video is for educational purposes only. No instructions or promotion of weapon use.